Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and we're going to be changing the air filter on this Audi Q7. I'm not going to lie, it is a fairly easy job, but you do have to remove the whole airbox. So if some of you were just here to answer that question, there it is, and you'll probably click off now. Anyway, let's get to it. So I've had to remove the cover, and if you look, first thing we're going to do is just unclip that, and then we're going to undo this bolt here. So pull this out, and then you've got two options. You can undo the two screws here, or you can take out the mass airflow sensor and this clip here, and then, but either way, whatever option you do to remove that. I'm going to actually try and tempt these screws, and then we'll see how we get on. Couldn't actually get to the screws in the end, so I've gone for removing the mass airflow sensor and the clip. To remove this, get a flat head in there, pull up on this gently, and then pull it out. Remove this clip now. Box here, you'll see a hose, and this is for your air suspension, and this needs to be removed, okay? On non-air suspension cars, obviously this won't be here, and it will just be blanked off. So you've got some tabs on the top. Just gonna undo that one, and pull it aside. Should be able to get it up, out of the way. Well, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, but obviously my coolant my air suspension line isn't coming off, okay? And should just sort of release that green tab and then pull out, but it's not working. So this is what I'm at now. I'm just going to try and remove this and refit the new one with the limited space I have. So there's two black lips. You go on the inner black lip, start from the bottom, and then work your way up to the top one. So make sure your coolant hose and all your stuff are on top now, and then just push it on and then put the clips in. Just thread in the bottom first. These clips are pretty annoying, I'm not gonna lie. So keep flopping down. So down the bottom there, that's, you got to thread it in the bottom first and then do the clips, but they are being a bit of a pickle. Just like that. You should be able to push it back now. Right, next we're going to do connect this side up, okay? Like I said before, I prefer it if I have my proper pliers because it makes it a bit easier. And they're about 30 quid for a set of them on eBay, and they're really useful. So I managed to do it like that. Clip this back in. Listen out for that click. Let's get this bolt back in, and yeah, get that one in. Start the video, you may remember me unplugging that, so just put that back in there. There's a little thing down there which just clips back in as well. I'll show it to you. Okay, camera, that thing. So a couple of checks before we start. Okay, that's done up, these are done up, and it's not on skew width. This is on, that's clipped up nice and tight. And we should be good. So thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you've got an Audi Q7, it's definitely worth subscribing. So I'm going to do a lot of content on this. Check the comment section. I've got a playlist as well for all maintenance on this, and I'll be publishing a lot more videos on this. So I'll see you on the next one.